If your Chrome has 20 tabs open and it's eating your entire RAM, freezing every time you open a new window, this is going to fix in under 5 minutes. Not an extension, not to download, 7 settings that are already built into Chrome, and I'm going to show you exactly where they are. And as you can see, I have a Google Docs right here to show you all of them. And the first one is going to be this one right here. And this is a very, very good one. If you go to Settings, System, and then from here you can see continue running apps in the background, and you want to turn that off. And this will basically just help your RAM be better. The next one we're going to do is if you go to settings/performance, you can see here there's general, there's memory, but the one you're going to do is memory saver, and balance is what is normally on. But if you're actually really annoyed at your laptop, just put it on maximum and you get the maximum memory savings. But if it's not that bad, you can keep it on balance, and if it's on moderate, definitely try and change the balance. The next one is going to be on performance again, and it's going to be called energy saver mode or power saver, whatever it is. And turn on when your computer is unplugged is a good one, because it'll just ensure your energy is saved when it's unplugged, which is basically all the time, unless you have your laptop on charge all the time, which you probably shouldn't. The next one is going to be hardware acceleration, and this is under system again. So if you just copy the link, go to system, and then here you can see hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. Sometimes it's good, but sometimes if it's actually eating at when you watch videos and stuff, you could just turn it off and then you have to relaunch your whole laptop to do that, but it's okay. The next one is if you can see, look, I'm opening loads and loads of tabs, and you can see my laptop's already getting laggy, and it's getting laggy already. But if you go to settings and you go back to your Google Doc, which I'm going right here, if you scroll down more, there's going to be called group 3, which is the power user part. And all you want to do is go to any tab, go to extensions, and as you can see, I have loads of extensions I didn't even really know about. And if you can see, I have loads and loads and loads. I don't know if you have as much as me, but I'm just going to keep on removing them. So this one I don't need anymore, remove. This one I don't need anymore, remove. And as you can see, this just happens loads and loads. And you can turn developer mode on to be able to remove it, which is in the top right. And you can also update all of them as well. The next one is going to be called Chrome-settings, and it's going to be the site data part. You're just going to go to the Chrome in your data. As you can see, I have 10,000 plus in my history. I have loads of themes, loads of extensions, loads of apps. But all I can do is I can delete data, or you can go to your extensions. You can just delete any of this data basically, and it's very good, because 10,000 in your history is a lot. I actually didn't know I searched that much, but you can see how you go to your history from here. And as you can see, delete your activity, delete by last hour, last day, last this, last that, and you can delete a lot of history. The last one's going to be on startup, and you're going to go here, and then you want to open a new tab page, not continue where you left off, as you'll just do loads of tabs every time you unlock your computer.